Africa, a beautiful continent blessed with abundant resources and hardworking people. The long-term modernization and economic growth of our societies is significantly dependent on energy. And the United Nations estimates that slightly less than 1 billion people across the world live without electricity, with 50% of them located in sub-Saharan Africa. Today, with the region's growing population and increased demand for energy, it is pertinent to seek more economical and eco-friendly energy options. One such option is natural gas, which is a cleaner burning fossil fuel that offers considerable benefits of convenience, versatility, and affordability. This underlines Axxela's commitment to ensure more industries embrace natural gas as a safer, more eco-friendly, and more cost-efficient energy option.
At Axxela, we implement a dynamic and focused strategy of developing high-yield portfolio investments, and across the gas and power value chain while leveraging strategic partnerships to facilitate sustainable economic development.
With over 20 years of industry experience, our longevity and credibility afford us the opportunity to develop innovative energy solutions, expand our footprints, and affirm our position as Sub-Saharan Africa's preferred fast-growing gas and power portfolio company. Our name Axxela is a convergence of acceleration and excellence, the two words which drive our vision of being West Africa's foremost gas and power portfolio company.
We are successful at implementing models across the region to anticipate the energy needs of our clients, while securing investments to expand our processing, trading, transportation, and distribution activities.
Our enterprise began in the year 2000 with the completion of Phase 1A of the 10-kilometer Greater Lagos Pipeline Network. In 2002, we extended the pipeline by a further 14 kilometers. We built Phase 2 of the Greater Lagos Gas Grid in 2005, an 84-kilometer pipeline which supplies gas to power blue-chip Nigerian companies such as flour mills, Dangote Sugar, and Nigerian breweries. In 2008, we completed Phase 3 of the distribution network, surpassing our previous achievements by laying a 113-kilometer gas pipeline.
We promote cost-effective and eco-friendly industrialization by supplying natural gas to manufacturing industries in Nigeria and across the West African region. These companies use our natural gas to generate electric power for their factories, and they also use the gas to generate heat and steam for the various machines. For our gas-based industries, our customers also use natural gas as feedstock and raw materials.
In the year 2011, we established East Horizon Gas Company, EHGC, a significant energy infrastructure asset in southeastern Nigeria. The facility operates the 128-kilometer East Horizon Gas Pipeline through Akwa Ibom and Cross River states. The company has been divested. We've also shown our expertise in the development of power projects. We developed the Akute Independent Power Plant, a gas-to-power GTP facility with a capacity of 12.15 megawatts. The plant supplies constant and cost-effective electricity to the Lagos Water Corporation located in Akute. We also established the 10.14 megawatts Alausa Independent Power Plant to supply uninterrupted power to the Lagos State Government Secretariat and the surrounding affiliate government agencies. Both ventures have been divested from our portfolio. Presently, our operations are primarily driven by 4 subsidiaries: GasLink Nigeria Limited, GNL, Central Horizon Gas Company, CHGC. Gas Network Services Limited, and Transit Gas Nigeria Limited. Annually, our operations facilitate constant and cost-effective power generation for large volume production and enable over $1.3 billion in contributions to Nigeria's GDP. Via our subsidiaries, Axxela is wholly committed to actively creating initiatives that provide social and economic benefits for our stakeholders in both host and access communities. We implement community interventions after due engagement with key stakeholders within these communities to ensure that our interventions are relevant and create much-needed impact. These relationships are critical to achieving our license to operate, and we firm up these relationships through memoranda, which detail our commitments to our host communities. In line with this obligation, we have embarked on several initiatives which align with our sustainability approach and objectives in the areas of education, infrastructural support, and people empowerment. Our commitment to building a more successful and sustainable business is reflected in our enterprise statements via our vision, mission, and core values. These articulate our path into the future and how we will conduct our business along the way. We are big believers in safety, innovation, and evolution, which is why we implemented the Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System to remotely monitor gas distribution across our operations. Recent milestones. Our current corporate ratings are a welcome indication of our robust corporate reputation and position as a major indigenous player and the partner of choice within the gas and power industry. Our renewed issuer rating by Augusto & Co. was upgraded from BBB/stable to BBB+/stable. Axxela were recognized by the Standards Organization of Nigeria as the first Nigerian oil and gas company to achieve a trifecta implementation, evaluation, and certification of integrated management systems, ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015, and ISO 45001-2018. Our approach to sustainability is to harness innovative economic, social, and environmental business practices to deliver long-term value to our shareholders, customers, partners, and communities. Ours is a long-term business, and we believe that our company will prosper over the long term if we operate safely and fulfill a positive role in society. Our sustainability strategy is underpinned by three focus areas: environmental sustainability, community and social support, and people empowerment. Impacting the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The UN Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are the blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. They address the global challenges we face, including those related to poverty, inequality, climate, environmental degradation, prosperity, peace, and justice. In line with the United Nations SDGs 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8, our business generates employment directly and indirectly, which goes a long way in helping individuals tackle poverty, hunger, education, and in seeking the necessary medical intervention. Through our environmental sustainability initiatives, UN SDGs 7, 9, 11, 12, and 15 are met as we ensure energy efficiency and reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, water and effluents management, as well as biodiversity management. In line with UN SDGs 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10, our community support and social investment initiatives are targeted at providing educational support to elementary school children through our Back to School initiative and provision of infrastructure including water facilities, health and sanitation facilities, and welfare support through yearly distribution of food items. People empowerment. In alignment with UN SDGs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 10, our People Empowerment Drive is aimed at capacity development for our employees and members of host communities through sponsorship and provision of training opportunities. These goals and targets indicate our commitment to monitoring and measuring our performance in our sustainable development journey, and we consider them all integral to our long-term success. We are further adopting eco-friendly technologies to reduce the impact of our operations on the environment. We are committed to being an equal opportunity employer, and as such, offer training for employment, compensation, and advancement based on qualification, merit, and business needs, regardless of race, religion, sex, nationality, or state of origin, age, veteran status, and sexual orientation and disability, as long as the individual can perform job duties safely and efficiently. Members of our management and employees are male and female of varying ages from different ethnicities and nationalities. Overall, our sum is always greater than our parts. Visit www.axellagroup.com to learn more or connect with us on social media. We are Axella. We are empowering Africa.